How to install Chrome extension on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To install the Chrome extension on your mobile, it is not direct as you think it is. This is because Chrome extensions are primarily designed for desktop computers and laptops. There is no any direct way by which it is supported on mobile devices running on Android or iOS. If you open up your Chrome browser and tap on the three dots, you will see that there is no such option as Add Extension. This is because of the compatibility issue regarding the extension and your mobile. So in that case, you can use some of the different browsers in which you can actually install some of the extensions itself. Or what you can do next is you can also check out some of the web application which might give you the functionality of certain Chrome extension. However, it is not guaranteed that these extension will be available and functional for your particular device. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.